Бавам, разбираш ли къде е България, това не е Италия, нито някаква Сомалия, защото ние тук става много добре. Искам да ти кажа, че не съм някакъв чълпо ченге, гадите чибани ченгета, за писмота ни кашета, затова ще ги смеля, просто разбираш ли, направо не треперя, когато ги видя, никой не искам да видя. Не, сега продължавам, въобще не се бавам, искам да ти кажа, че за тази рима прекратявам. I won't stop, or stop.
I have no idea.
Okay.
Alright,
I'll continue.
Continue.
Yo. For now, I'm living in Siena. Искам да ти кажа, че там не се намира никаква гадна хена. Какво ме си имаш две педал, да не би се казваш ти Паскал? Много бой май си ял. Искам да ти кажа, сега ще ти покажа, че ще те размажа. Пред моите хора, пред American Guys. И само искам да ти покажа, че няма въобще с водка и кола и бира да се смажа. Защото аз много обичам да пия. И искам тази вечер в Хамбург да се разбия. В Хамбург. Няма никакъв майтап, тук има само много добър рап. Яо.
Yeah, nigga, I just cannot stop. My flow is kept speaking like an undercover cop. I'm cleaning up the game like a slip and not a mop. My flow is Pepsi, yes, that Maya brand pop. Don't stop, is what the girls are telling me. From the 517, not the 313. The niggas in the Z can't even fucking read. My rhymes are complicated, shit, they need someone from C. I got Sports Illustrated hoes. Love and Trade brew, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. You just an amateur, I'm upgraded to the pros. Bought a Maserati, put that bitch on 20 foes. Shit, play you're just a random. I'm breaking down your lyrics, I'm the rhyming John Madden. I'm flyer than your bitches in the sky like Aladdin. My nutsack and your mama's booty clapping. Shit, bitch, I'm just rapping. Getting fucking money is my quest, no math. Can't be laughing. Getting fucking money.
Not bad.
No math in your lyrics, I mean something might as well be in Latin. Bitch, I fucking hope your ass is learning. I rhyme in English, but I can break it down in German. Put a bullet hole in your motherfucking sternum. Watch a mother cry at your funeral sermon. My songs are greater years or less. Your team is tired, mine's one fuck on press, but I'm sitting in the crowd smoking weed from the west, rolling up a blunt of purple lighted up, release some stress. And my room is just a mess. But my flow is so clean. It's some motherfucking best metaphors that explored like a fucking Loch Ness. Always told just say no, but I'm too busy saying yes.
Yo, I heard a major, but you wanna see my motherfucking pager. So I'm not a fucking teenager, and I can rap in American or English, I don't know. But I will... Allora, parliamo in italiano. Conosco una puttana che si chiama Mariana e fuma troppo marijuana, ma poi parliamo in... Allora, un bar means you. Un bare. Andiamo con te al mare.
Doesn't need to.
Try to rap again. And like this. Can't make you freestyle though, guys. Can't make you freestyle.
Sure, my freestyle for sure.
Was that your freestyle?
No.
Keep that shit in the bank.
Something I know from Christian.
No, shot.